Hey everybody, so today I want to talk about how to construct the tangent to a circle. I'm doing this by itself in a video because the process itself is a bit involved, but once you get it down, it should be fairly easy. So I'm going to draw a circle, let's say some random width. Draw a circle. Remember, make sure you turn the paper, not the compass, whenever you can. We'll call this circle P. P for point. And I want to construct a tangent to the circle that passes through this point over here that we'll call T. So there's a few steps here, and I'm going to try to do the steps in different colors so that you can get a bit of a visual on the different steps once everything's put down on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my straight edge to connect P and T. The center of this circle, P, and this point T out here. Now, it intersects this point A. This point A is where the line segment PT passes through the circle. So PA here, that line segment, is going to be the radius of the circle. And now, what I want to do is I want to open my compass up to the width of PT here, and I'm going to draw an arc like that. It doesn't have to go all of the way around the circle. Some people might tell you to do it all the way around, but there's not really any point because I'm only going to use part of it. So now I have a circle with a radius of that. Now what I want to do is I want to construct a tangent to the circle through this point A here. And I can do it by using the old procedure of construct a perpendicular passing through a point. So I measure out that far, kick open my compass a little more, go high, go low, on the other side, go high, go low. Now I have my X's, and I can connect those through this point. And I want to make sure that it goes all the way out to this other arc that I just made. I'll call this point up here B, and I'll call this point down here C. Okay. Next step. I'll do this one in, let's say, green. Now, I want to connect those two new points back to the center of the circle, keeping track of where that crosses the circle and where that crosses the circle. These are the 2 points that I care about because these are my 2 points of tangency. Got a radius right here. When I connect it back to T, I'm going to be perpendicular to that radius that I just drew. I'll do this one in, let's say, I already used blue. we'll go with orange. When I connect this back, I'm now perpendicular to that radius and tangent to that circle. And then the same thing for this one up here. I'm now passing through T, passing through D. I'm perpendicular to that radius, and I'm tangent to the circle. There are two tangents that pass through point T, and now I've constructed them both. Hope that helps.